today's video, I'm going to show you how to install or upgrade Windows 11 on a computer that doesn't have the system requirements, like not having TPM 2.0, UEFI BIOS, or the CPU requirement of having an 8th generation Intel Core i processor or better. First thing you have to do is you need to go to Microsoft's website and download Windows 11. Go here, get this region. For me, it's here. This one. 7.9 gigabytes. So it's going to take a while for me to download it. Okay, so now it's done downloading. Copy that URL. And you need another program called Rufus as well. Go here and download it. I have Windows 11 on this computer. So I'm going to select that and download it. Run the file. Yes. Select your USB device. Make sure you select the right one. I have two on this computer, one 256 and 15 gigabyte. The 256 is my portable USB SSD. I don't want to put it on that, so I'm going to select that. Select the right one, because if you don't, it's going to erase everything on that storage drive. I'm going to select the image of the operating system. Here it is. Okay. Looks good. Start. So these are the parameters that you want, that you may want, you may or may not want. So I want to remove the requirements for TPM 2.0 because I don't have it on that computer. The computer that I'll be using has an Intel i7 4790K processor. That does not have TPM 2.0. That does not have the CPU requirement because it's a 4th generation Core i processor. So here you could choose to remove the Microsoft account if you wish, but for me, I don't want to remove it. So this local account name isn't going to apply because I'm going to be using my online Microsoft account. So that's entirely up to you. I want to disable data collection. That's pretty much it. Okay. This will take, see, it gives you a warning if you want to do this or not. This will take, really depends on your USB drive. If you have something that's fast, it's going to take very little time. If you have a slow flash drive, it can take a long time. So just press OK, and this will take, I don't know, it took me about a good 20 minutes because I have a pretty slow USB flash drive. The one that I used was a 16 gigabyte. That's going to take a while. So what this program will enable you to do is This will enable you to bypass the hardware requirements like TPM 2.0, UEFI BIOS, and the CPU requirements. So you need a 8th generation Core i processor or higher. So something like a Intel i7, i7 8700 processor, or i3 8100 processor. If you have anything less than that, you can't bypass the CPU's requirements. So even if you have TPM 2.0 and UEFI, Windows 11 will prevent you from installing it because it doesn't have the CPU requirements. So this will bypass all of that and enable me to upgrade Windows 11. Because on that computer, I didn't have those requirements, but I was able to install Windows 11 on that computer using a registry hack back in I think it was 2022 or 2023. Made a video about it. I was able to do that, but around 2024 I wasn't able to get updates, any of the major updates. So if you want to get the major updates, you can, but you have to go to Microsoft's website and get the latest Windows 11 ISO file. This contains all the updates and the latest version of Windows 11, the latest build of Windows 11. So I will be able to get an upgrade like that. So update, basically. It's actually installing the newest version of Windows 11. So every time they come out with a major update, it changes everything in your computer, the operating system. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. Stay tuned. Okay, on this computer I have Windows 11 installed on it. And I'll show you that the processor that's in it is something that doesn't meet the requirements. So as you can see, the processor is an i7-4790K. This has Windows on it, and it doesn't have TPM 2.0 or anything like that, but it does have UEFI BIOS. So what I want to do is I want to upgrade this to Windows, upgrade it to Windows 11. So I'm going to put the USB stick in there. This is the USB stick I made earlier with Rufus. So this is going to bypass all the hardware requirement things. So this thing's really not updating. It's not giving me all the main updates because the hardware isn't, because I don't have TPM 2.0, a 8th generation Core i processor, or TPM 2.0. So I don't have those things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade it after these updates get downloaded. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the USB stick, the Rufus Windows 11 USB stick. And I'll be seeing if I can update it or not. As you can see, this computer is using hardware which isn't sufficient for Windows 11. It doesn't have a 8th generation Core i processor. It doesn't have TPM 2.0, but it does have Secure Boot. But it's missing 2 of the requirements, so I can't get all the updates. But with Rufus I can. With this I can. I should be able to bypass all the requirements. Okay, so as you can see, it bypassed it. So now I can update Windows 11. You can't update it through the other way by going to settings. So that's not going to work. So the only way you can update it is by using a USB drive with the image of Windows, the latest version of Windows on it. This is going to take a while, so I'm not going to just record all of it, so I'll just skip past it. Okay, so now it's ready to install. This is going to take quite a bit of time. I don't know how long it's going to take, but it's going to take at least anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. So I'm going to skip past this part. You don't have to watch all of it. Okay, now Windows is up to date, as you can see. So that worked. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.